Going live. There we go. Yep. Okay. Hello, everyone. Give me a couple seconds. Everything good? So big. Okay. Ooh, that faded. That was pretty cool. Yeah, looking good. Okay. Cool. Bobs. I feel like there was something else I was gonna do. Maybe lower the music. Music is kind of loud. Yeah, maybe I'll turn that click down. Yeah, I think that's better. That sounds better in my ear holes. I don't know about your guys's. I should really get better lighting in here. There's like a window over there, and like it's obviously only lighting my face here, so it's kind of hard to like see me. But I'm not important. The code is. Size these. Quick. Yeah, okay, so if you guys were following along of the Python Pygame series, I do not have a README, but if you wanted to go to this address, hopefully you can read it. Oh yeah, I was gonna go on social. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna go do social stuff. Punctuation. Copy that floppy. Gonna post. Bostodon. Enter my shit. Doing it. Okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. All right, so all that good stuff is done. Yeah, if you guys have been watching my stream with the Pygame stuff, we have Pygame Breakout. I've committed everything that I have here. Shit, I hope that's Creative Commons. Pretty sure you can just download it on this site for free, but that's fine. We'll worry about that when I get sued. But yeah, I've uploaded everything. It's all of the code that I wrote for Breakout in its final state. And there's some commits. I didn't commit as diligently as I should have, so you probably can't go back to every commit and follow along with a series, but I will try to do better with that this time around. And the only thing that I didn't do is that this player, when the player moved and hit the ball, we didn't really handle that correctly. I didn't know how to really deal with that. So right now it kind of just gets stuck in the ball or in the rectangle, the player rect, until it gets out, which isn't a good solution, but I didn't want to fiddle with this any longer. I wanted to move on because I have some game ideas that I kind of actually want to do. So I wanted to kind of just get a feel for more things. So my thoughts on Python and Pygame is I particularly don't like Python. Just doesn't really feel particularly great overall. I'd rather use like C or C++, which is why we're doing Raylib and C. And with Pygame's nice. I have mixed feelings about it. It's nice. It's It's pretty straightforward, but like ultimately it's just like an SDL wrapper. I thought it would have a little more higher level functions, and just kind of do some things for you, but still be like a framework where like code is basically what you're doing. So since it's more or less just kind of exposing SDL, and there are some high level functions, but I don't know, I was kind of expecting a better blend between a framework and an engine, especially with it being Python. I thought it was going to be a little more, I don't know how to explain it. I thought it was just going to take care of certain things for me, which it does, but I kind of hoped it had better like collision detection, because I really struggled with physics, but now I learned physics, so maybe that's not a bad idea. And some of the things that it does is kind of odd, like with this screen. I'm pretty sure this screen that we create, oh, that's all the way up here. I'm not sure entirely, but screen. Pretty sure this is not hardware accelerated, because there's like a display.gfx, I think, or maybe there's a draw.gfx. Maybe the screen's fine, and maybe it's the drawing functions that we need to do. Like it doesn't. I think this is in software, which is fine for Breakout, but like if I wanted to do something more, that might be an issue. Maybe not. Who knows? But yeah, ultimately, if I'm basically just using kind of like a stripped down, or not stripped down, but just a Python exposed SDL library, then I'm probably just not going to use that. I'm just going to use, I would just use SDL, right, with C or a different language that I was playing with at the time. So yeah, ultimately I'm moving away from Python, not necessarily Pygame. If you were interested in all that, by all means, you continue and go create games. Go make beautiful, beautiful games with Python and Pygame, because it is pretty decent. Just not my cup of tea. Again, that's at this address, github.com, Krazi, and then Pygame Breakout. You probably don't need tree main or anything like that. Yeah, so after that's done, I'm also on Ko-Fi. It's kind of like Patreon. I thought about releasing like the actual game here in like a shop, and you pay what you want, but that didn't feel right, so I just released the code to GitHub. But in the future, I might be selling games or something, code packs, or I don't know. It'd probably be a pay what you want. Anything that I wanted to like release would be like on itch or Steam in the future, itch.io or Steam. But yeah, maybe I would put alphas or betas on here where you can kind of do like a pay what you want, or depending on how much I care about the project, it would be like a cheap minimum payment. Yeah, okay, well, I think that is all the things that I wanted to kind of talk about before we dive into Raylib. So because this is compiled, I wanted to make sure that I could compile all of this. So here we have just a basic simple, this is in C by the way, so I'm compiling C. This is just one of their examples. I think this is their Raylib's first example on their page of just like making a window and putting like text on the screen. So that's what we do. We get this screen, we create the window, set target. While we're in a loop, we'll update our game, and then we'll begin draw. We clear the screen, and then we draw our text, and then we end our drawing, and then after the loop, we close the window and the OpenGL context, and then we return. And so this is all fine. This is all in C, and then build, and then our build bat. So I use Clang on Windows, just because it is easier to set up. Specifically, if you need to use CL, you have to open up a specific window type, which probably isn't a big deal now. Is my mic audio only mono? That's weird. Oh, it probably only picks up mono, and then I think OBS handles it correctly. That's fine, whatever. Anyway, that's actually a big pet peeve of mine, so I should probably figure that out. I hate like when you watch a short or something and it's like recorded in mono and it only comes like in the left speaker, and I'm just like, that is maddening. So I've played through my VODs before, and I'm pretty sure that was stereo. It was stereo as far as I could tell, so I don't know. Anyway, not important. So we have this build stuff. I use Casey's C time, Casey Mortori. I'm probably butchering his name, I'm so sorry, but he does Handmade Hero. So I stole his C time. It basically just counts how long this whole thing took. We just do begin and it gets wall clock time, and then end, and I think it gets wall clock time again. And we just save that into stuff. This is usually kind of the template that I use for all of my C and C++ stuff. Usually I just use C++ and then call everything a .cpp file and a .h file, and then just don't actually use a lot of C++ features. So I'm going to try and actually, this might be short-lived, but the goal for this stream is to A, do Raylib Breakout, and then B, kind of do things more in a C way, like force myself to be more in a C way and don't use anything from C++. Depending how annoying that is, I might get rid of it and I might just go back to the unorthodox C++. But yeah, so here we just have fast math, we have exceptions, behavior ignore, and then no exceptions, and then we're defining C11 because I think that gives us auto. I don't know if I'm going to use that. And then no debug information, no optimization, debug information, and then we're going to treat all warnings as an error, and then we're going to turn on all the warnings, and then just my include stuff. This is probably only needed on Windows. Whenever I switch over to oh, 3 E's, that's cool. That's not what I wanted though. Whenever I switch over to Linux, A, this is going to be a build.sh, and then B, these are probably going to be system level, so I probably won't need these. And then here's the addition to our compiler flags. Those are compiler flags, by the way, I didn't mention that. So we don't do incremental linker capable stuffs. And use LD. I forgot why I did this. Uses the LLVM linker, I believe, as opposed to the Windows linker. Maybe I was getting issues. I can't remember. I might need to look into that anymore or in the future. So yeah. That was annoying when prototyping. That was also annoying when prototyping. Basically, it would give me a warning whenever I made a stub out a function, and then if I wanted to compile and like debug some of the code, then it would be like, hey, you're not using this function. And I was like, yeah, I know, because I'm fucking writing the function. So I turned that off. It's probably good to compile with this line, this entire line disabled. How would I do that quickly? 0v that. So yeah, periodically like comment this out and then run or compile the program just to kind of see if you have unused functions and if you have uninitialized variables, and I think that's what that means. And if you're using C++ extensions, which I guess is kind of pointless now since we're using C. And then I'm just doing some defines, and then this is all the stuff that I've found that is needed for Raylib to compile correctly on Windows. I'm unsure. I'm pretty sure this is needed. This is probably only on Windows 11 because at least for Raylib 5. So this is Raylib 5, by the way. I don't know if I made mention of that. And on the documents in GitHub, they claim that you just need these two things, and then obviously Raylib itself. I found that I had issues, and then I also need the user32, and I also need shell32. I think things have moved, or Raysound 5 might be on like Windows 10 where that is the case, and Windows 11 needs user32 and shell32, or I don't know, just full just random differences between, I guess, the things, or maybe he didn't update it between 4 and 5. Maybe I was looking at the old documentation, which is all fine. So we're using Clang, not Clang++, and we'll give it the compiler flags, and this is just for Clang D, because that's what I use in NeoVim to kind of give me what is that, LSP. So that's what I use. So this just puts it out to the main command, and then I give it the defines for the compiler defines, and I tell it to write it out to the bin, and we did that up here. Created this directory, and then we just do that, and we say, hey, compiler main, then we give it our Laker flags as well. And we capture the error if this resulted in an error, so we can record it on CTime, because it'll give you stats for like, oh, here's how long successful compilers generally took, here's how long like error, I forget all what it outputs, but I think you can like distinguish like, oh, only give me like how long successful compiles, how long those took, as opposed to all of the compiles. And then Clang D searches for this. This probably isn't needed for this project, but before I would follow the handmade hero style, and so I would have like the main executable, and then I'd also have like a game DLL, and I also have like the renderer as well. So like it was done, so I did it this way, so I could write like the main command, and it's the main executable, and then I could, under that, I could like write the game command .json, right, and then put that into the compile, right, and then I could also do the render command, right, and then I would just have all of the info for Clang D to kind of parse through my project correctly and give me the things that I use. Mostly just use it for like jumping around functions. So anyway, that's the setup. I couldn't find equivalent when I did this, and I kind of don't care right now, but like I couldn't find the equivalent for this when I redid this, when I translated my like build file that I basically copied from Handmade Hero, and then translated that from cl.exe to Clang. I couldn't find a good runtime type information disabler, or the flag to disable that on Clang. It's probably like -no, maybe f no. Oh, maybe that might be float. I don't know. Anyway, and then also generated intrinsic functions. Couldn't find anything for that. That might not be needed. And then full path source code file and diagnostics. I don't know if that's needed either. I haven't really been missing any of this. It might be good to kind of comb through later when I want to ship the game or anything like that. Not Breakout, but future stuff. Okay. So now that we have kind of the setup done, I think we can go forward. Oh yeah, and this define is only obviously for Windows. Right now, actually I can just kind of show that. Yeah. I don't know why you didn't bring to the front. Breakout bin. Right now it opens up a console window, right? Instead of just this window. The reason why I didn't execute it in the terminal is because the output would just come here instead of like opening up another window. So I kind of wanted to show that. And then if we do that and then compile, build today, yep. And now it doesn't open up the window anymore. That's not 100% done yet. I just kind of wanted to be able to do that. But like, if we ever parse arguments, I'm gonna have to figure out if win main needs anything, because this works now, just win main at void. I don't know if like Raylib kind of hooks into that. I'd have to look more into that. But I don't know if we can pass args or if there's a function we can call to like get like arg-c and arg-v. I don't know if like CIO or anything has that, but that's for the future. We don't need that for the breakout game. We'll probably get that for something else. So just for the breakout, let's see what should we do. I did really like the system that I came up with. Probably in the future going to make these functions. So I'm going to have like a update tick and then like a draw tick. And then I liked in the old in the Python game where I could hit F9 to like stop the physics simulation, but we still drew. And then I could like step through a physics frame, like every frame. So I want to preserve that. Not going to worry about that now. I think right now I just want to get a rectangle onto the screen. And then after that, we're going to move the rectangle, and then I think I'm going to get the ball moving, and then I'm going to get basically redo the rectangle physics that I had for everything but the player. And then we'll add walls, and then after that we can just add the blocks like we did last time. And I anticipate I probably won't get done this weekend, but I anticipate I'm going to have a lot of issues. I guess I could just make everything global, or at least within the main function, which might be fine. Yeah, for now, let me just see what it takes to get a rectangle on the screen. What is our shapes? Draw rectangle. Okay, cool. Now there is Raylib math. Audio. Okay, we do have vector 2, vector 4. Okay, so I can probably just keep a vector 4 of like player data, right? And then we'll just use that to draw a rectangle. So vector 4 player rect, yeah. And then so where do we want that? Screen width divided by 2. Then we need to figure out where 0, 0 is. So instead of, oops, that's not what I wanted. Instead of that, let me just draw a circle. At 0, 0. Radius is next, right? And then color, okay, yeah. We're just gonna make it 10, and then it's gonna be red. Yeah, and then I also use, that's what I should, I'm just used to RoomDBG. I know that there's a different one that a lot of people in that handmade community are RoomDBG, that they like this a lot. I have not. Was this it? Oops. Yeah, I think this is it. And okay, so like I understand it's very hard to put images in in this, but like this UI looks really good, and he just does not show where it is. Anyway, I'll set that up later. And then also if I don't know what I'm going to use to debug when I move over to Linux. I am most assuredly not going to use the command line to do that. Let's see. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, that's fine. We're gonna open. Actually, can I just F11 into this bad boy? Oh, perfect. That works. All right, we open up. Yeah, we ended that bad boy. Okay, so 00 is the upper left corner. Okay. Okay. That's good. Good to know. Oh yeah, I've customized my NeoVim a little bit. I'm not going to go into that now, but just know that if I hit space BB, that builds. I actually did write that Lua function myself that basically just tries to find, it's very naive, it just tries to find a build bat or a build.sh depending on what platform you're on, and then also it will try to pick up a build.zig file, zig, and that will run the zig build command for me, because I also use zig as well, which that might be a thing that I do. I don't know if I want to use C. I wrestle with this a lot where I'm like, oh, I should probably learn or be a lot more proficient in C and C++, but then like Zig comes along and it's like, oh, we got a new sexy update, and I'm just like, ooh, let me get that though. Or Odin comes out, I don't know what it is about Odin. On paper, everything like looks like it's what I would love in a language, especially for game development. It just kind of does things that make sense, and it has some cool concepts that I can't name off the top of my head because I'm on stream. But like every time I sit down to like use it and like program in it, I just like I have no desire to move forward with anything. Like I tried doing Advent of Code last year and the year before. Well, I don't think last year. I think in 2021 and 2022. And like I would open it up and I'd try to get like a file read, and I'm just like, I don't want to do this anymore. So I don't know if the problem that I was trying to solve at the time was just not inspiring, and I should have done something else like Raylib, or what. But like anytime I try to sit down, even recently, I think I sat down with it to do some like Vulkan code, I think, or some engine development stuff. I was like, oh yeah, I'll sit down and do this. And then a couple minutes in, I was just like, I don't have any desire to do this. Whereas with Zig, I was really excited about Zig, and I actually like created quite a bit. I've done a lot of hold on, drink. I've done a lot of OpenGL rendering in Zig, and I've done an audio mixer in Zig, and I've done a little bit of physics in Zig. That's when I was, I don't know if anyone remembers from the Python tutorial, but I would go on about the Minkowski sum and the Jarvis March stuff, which is like a wrapper, a method to find the extremity line segments of a point cloud. And you're like, why do you need that? It's like, well, because I added two shapes together, and that resulted in a big collection of points, and then I needed to find the shape around it. And so you do that by like by creating a line segment, starting at one point and then going to every other point and finding like the leftmost point. And then you're like, okay, these 2 points are the leftmost points. And then you move on to the next point and you shoot and you make a line to all the other points in there, and you just try to find the like leftmost point. And then you just keep doing that until you're like, okay, eventually you found the object. This only works, I think, I can't remember if it had any constraints. It's been a while since I did that, but that was really fun. Audio mixing was really fun too, even though I didn't vectorize it. And I know like Zig has really nice vector functions, or built-ins, I think they call them. Anyway, that all of that like does not matter. Let me has nothing to do with what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna focus, and then okay. So then this is gonna be screen height minus like 20 minus 60. Is that gonna be our thickness? And then what are we gonna be on the X? I think we're gonna be. Oh, that's gonna be half thickness, never mind. And then no. We're gonna be, I think 160 and 60. Yeah. And then we're gonna draw that. And we're gonna draw a rect. Is it rect or rectangle? I think it is rectangle. Oops. Oh yeah, let's not do that. Whoopsies. Dang it. Dot Z. Player rect dot W. Okay. And there's no aliases. That's fine. Wonder if there is a rect definition. Oh, there is. Okay. Sure, alright. That might be easier to type. Actually, it will not be easier to type, but so XY can stay the same. Then what is this width and height? Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, right. We need like color, I think. And maybe like a fill mode? No, just color. Okay. Oh, hey. Oh, the wrong buttons. Oh, I'm in visual mode. White? Oh, whoops. Oh, yep, there we go. Oh, I wanted to do the clear color. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. How do I read input? Textures, text. Oh, no, it'd be up in core, wouldn't it? That's good to know. I wonder if I have to check for both of these, or if is down is true on the first press. It's been pressed once. Right, does that make sense? Why is this a fucking thing? What do you want me to look at? Oh, did not want you to do that. You had many, I guess that was the last browser tab I had. That makes sense. Okay, so let's see if is key, whoops, shit. I'm gonna have a lot of those. What keys? Where? I wonder what this is. Oh, okay. Oh, so I could define this as extern if I wanted to. Oh, doesn't matter. Yeah, the other thing, if I wanted to have my own allocation strategy, which I probably do for like a longer term project, we have to recompile Raylib. So I was thinking we just take the source, put it into like a Raylib folder, and we just include, we either compile it in its own like little translation unit, or we just include it into our big ass translation unit. Not actually what we're focused on, but might be an interesting thing to look at. Structure defined internally in our audio module. Perfect. Sorry, I'm getting distracted because all of this is new. Okay, cool. Here we go. Get key pressed to allow redefining required keys for alternate layouts. Okay. Oh, okay. Zero. Okay, cool. Okay, so yeah, I can just be like, okay, key A, key, I think it's A and D. Yeah. We're just gonna do the bad thing. Ugh. Times. We don't have delta time. File system. Miss. Oh, pull events. Probably want to do that. Get frame time, get the time in seconds for last frame drawn, delta time. Okay, so that's float. Okay, so I probably just want float tt equals get frame time, and then we're gonna do that. Then, oh yeah, I don't want to do. Thank you for trying to help. Oh, no, this should be minus. Because A is left. So we're going to be moving left. And if the left is 0, because it's 0, 0 up in the top left corner. And we're going to add. Yeah. Alright, cool. Oh, I just wanted that, and this, and P. Ooh, look at that. I probably still want to stuff those in a function. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Depends how we're feeling. Oh, that was like way off. So I think something like this would be center. That's not where it was. Yeah, it was way off. Oh, because I didn't subtract the width. right. Shit. Okay, yeah, that's center. Cool. All right. We got that done. Let me, I wonder if they have a circle structure. Color, image, texture, matrix. I guess I can just make one. Yeah, they probably don't have one. Is it just one person that makes Raylib? I know it was named after that, the guy who created it. I assume there's more people than just him making it at this point. I get that it's open source too, but like, I don't know. Maybe other people are like actually doing it. What do we want, like a vector? Oh. X and Y, and a float. Radius. No, I don't know why I decided to make that a float. I think it should all just be ints, right? Oh, they should all be floats. Whoops. Whoops. You have to do this, right? Uh-oh. I hope that's just not something is so it feels like it's like draining out of my nose. I didn't know if it was blood. Divide by 2 minus 5. Then what is it? Screen height minus 20. We'll do like 30 minus 60 minus 5. Very convoluted. That's 10. So 30 because we gave this one like, give the rectangle like a 20 pixel buffer, and then minus half of its height, or no, minus its full height. And so here we gave it, oh, I guess this should be, no, we should do radius. Oh, if radius is 10. Oh, I was thinking diameter. 5. Yeah, we'll make that 5. Yeah, okay, so essentially I want, so the 20 minus 60 minus 5, or sorry, the 20 minus 60 is, I want 20 pixels between the bottom border and the player. And so we're doing that again, 20, and then the 60. But instead of just doing 20, we're doing 30. So now there's, essentially there's going to be like the 20 and then the 60, and then there's going to be 10 pixels between the edge and then the center. And then we did minus 5 because that's how much the width is. So we have to go up 5 more pixels. Uh-oh. Yeah, I usually use, oh, type def, okay. That's what I forgot. Use variable ball, oh, because I'm not drawing it. Yeah, we're just gonna take this guy. Ball.x, ball.y, ball dot radius white. Whoopsies. That's not how we do things. Okay, cool. Oh, that's small. Did I do a 10 on the Python one? We'll just make it 10, that's fine. Maybe we started with 5 and then I, whoops, and then I realized that I needed to increase the size. Yeah, okay, that's more like it. Then we can do, see, this is all that's needed for text in Raylib, right? Like I don't have to initialize the font loader. I don't have to like select the default font, which I don't think I actually had to do. Yeah, you just like draw the text, right? What am I doing now? What should we do? We need to get the ball moving. Alrighty. So we can do the start buttons. Who's got the buttons? Down key space. And we have not started. Go back up here. Bool. Oh, there's not a bool, is there? Or is there? Please define somewhere. Oh. Oh. We should be issuing a depreciation warning here, but cannot yet due to system headers. Which include, where is this? Oh, this is just part of Clang. Sick. Headers which include this header file unconditionally. Ooh, that sounded threatening. Someone was mad. I bet they spent like a good 8 hours trying to figure out why they can't just remove that shit. And then they're like, okay, well, someone just decided to include it even though they're not fucking using it. Started equals true. I guess I could be explicit about it. Well, whoa, hey. I guess no, this does not. So am I implicitly? Does this compile? Yeah, neat. So we have started, and then we're gonna find the center of the rect. So vector 2 center. I guess I can just calculate this all the time because we're probably gonna need it. Yeah, okay, so just player rect.x plus player rect.width 0.5f. And then player rect.height times 0.5f. Yeah. Oh, we could probably just set it is v vector 2 ball velocity. It's just gonna be 0, 0. Whoopsies. Velocity. We're gonna set that to center. I don't think I want to do it this way. I think it's ball first. Oh, that kind of sucks. Can I just fake it? Ball Y. This isn't gonna work. Yeah. That's fine. It's okay. Fuck, it's not fine. Do I need the math? Where's the math? Math. No. Oh, wait. Oh, why is this purple? Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Where is this? Do I just have to include this? Hold on. Oh, I have it here. Nope. Yep. How do I get to the go? Include Raylib math.h. Oh, that was a wrong button. Center. Bitch. Is that? Oh, it's just Ray Math. Whoops. M. Oh. Unexpected type name, expected expression. Whoops. Find that. Replace that. Set but not used. Yep. Ball velocity. What did we do with ball velocity? I wish this wasn't in this purple color. Reflect, perfect. We like that reflection. Oh, okay. Add value, okay. So each component. Oh, okay. I wonder if these define like operator overloads. Does C not have operator overloads? Oh, I need to stand. It might not. Alrighty. What was the problem? Right. Yep. So let's see, vector 2, PV frame, and then we're gonna do vector 2, little scale first, ball velocity, whoops, with 350. Right, and then we're going to go back and we're going to do a little vector to add the result of that with the ball position. Ugh, okay. I wonder if I can make this. Oh, well, then X and Y. So it's just it's annoying having to like convert this to having to convert this to a vector every time. So I just want a vector to position, right? And then hopefully this doesn't get fucked. We'll figure that out. And then here we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do ball dot pose. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, I don't need to do that anymore, so that's nice. So we can just go here. I can delete and do position. And then, okay, so that's what I was afraid of. Oh, then that I'll need to take care of. Well, I might, if this doesn't immediately work. Oops. Okay, so that immediately worked, cool. And then, so for drawing the circle, can I give it a vector? Okay, that's fine. We'll just do pause then. That should work. Fuck. Oh yeah, I'm not using that because we're not done with that. Okay, I need to take a break. I need to walk around a little bit and go to the bathroom. B. Oh, that was a terrible B. B. Oh, that was a terrible B. Be back 1 second. Just kidding, I need water. Be right back in a second. All right, back for realsies. Back for actual Z's. Okay. All right, what are we doing with BB frame? Then we're gonna do ball dot position, and then we're gonna assign that vector to add. That's gonna be BV frame with a ball pause, right? And that's gonna move, and I don't need to do that because that's not how we compile. Oh, because those are nan? No, that doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, I can break point now. Let me just do that. And what is BV? Zero. Yeah. What is ball pause right now? 955, 980. Yeah. Okay. Where it be though? Not there. Oh. 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 Oh, I just did the whole thing. Oh, okay. So no, BV frame is just scaled ball velocity. That and okay, so I just did everything incorrectly. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so I forgot that I separated those. These with that, and then build, hop over, and do this, and then yeah. Oh, I guess I kind of just skipped over everything. Okay, yeah. BV frame's just 0, 0. Yeah. Okay. So we draw that, and we, whoops, shit. Yeah, okay, so we got a ball. Cool. Like that. Continue. Okay. Oh, that was bad. Oh, I didn't normalize that shit. Let me do that. So we have a normalize. These are all functions. These are pretty great. BV frame. Yeah. No. Here. Cool. I hate. Oh, we don't have the file yet. Oh, why are you in that? Go. So the only gripe that I have with RemedyVG, like it's nice that it has a save file because it keeps like my watch list and it keeps like the files that I have open and the breakpoints and all that stuff. But like after I make the initial file, if I make any change, it makes it dirty. So if I go like this, it's now dirty and I have to save. I kind of wish it would just do that. I don't need to save my session anymore. Like if I have a saved session, you should just save it. Like I'm gonna change breakpoints. I'm gonna change my watch list. I mean, I guess unless maybe it could be useful. Maybe I'm being too harsh. I don't know. I kind of feel like it's annoying though. Because I guess you could have different sessions for different things. Like if you're like, you have a complex project, you could be like breakout underscore renderer, where you have like the whole display set up to like, because you might not want disassembly. You might want like different stuff here, because you might have like a render, like a render docs, or I don't know, like validation layers or something like that. And so you want to like be able to like reference multiple things. And then you have like game logic, where you have like BV frame and stuff like that. And you might want like physics logic, where you like a new RimDBG RDBG like session with you have physics stuff, or audio if you're mixing your own audio. Like I could see how that would be powerful, but usually I would imagine the majority of the time, the majority of users probably just want this to like autosave and just not really like have to worry about it. That is after the file was already saved, because before I save that out, there's no associated session with this. So I could see how it would be like, oh hey, like by the way, you're about to close this, do you want to save a session? But if I make changes and then try to close it, like it'll be like, hey, do you want to save? And I'm just like, yeah, just overwrite the session. Maybe that's a setting. Oh, I can find this later. I'll find it later, that's fine. Okay, so that's normalized now. Can't remember if we compiled. We're gonna breakpoint in there. We're gonna get in there. All right, we're gonna do that. We're gonna come in here and we're gonna see where the ball velocity is at. Okay, ball velocity. Okay, like straight up. That was a ton. Oh, is it because I'm... Oh, I didn't see what ET was. That moved a ton though. Oh, you guys see the problem. Because I see it. TT was the problem, but wasn't what I was thinking of. I thought it was delayed because we broke here, but that would have gotten last frames, and so it should have been fine. So the problem was that I was just not doing this. I did not scale it for the frame, and we just had the ball velocity move the full amount that it would move in a second, and however long that frame took. Okay, that should be smooth. Okay, maybe not. At least space doesn't do anything, so that's good. Okay, let me rerun that. And then, well, what's probably happened? So this moves a little bit, I bet. Yeah, and then now the frame time is like 50 seconds, right? So it probably just looks not great. So let me stop doing a breakpoint there, and we can just watch. Yep, okay, cool. That looks pretty good. All right, now we're just gonna get into it, and we're gonna do the walls. What do I need? I don't think I need data up there. We're gonna do rectangle walls. Gonna be 4 of them. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And walls 0. We're just gonna assign that. There's going to be 3 of them. 3. So the leftmost wall is going to start at -20, 0, and is going to be a thickness of 20 and screen height length. 1. That is going to be up top, so that is going to be 0, -20. Screen width 20 on walls 2. What a blunder, that would have been bad. What is this? Yeah, screen width and 0 all the way over, and then I believe this is 20, and then screen height. Yeah, alrighty. And then so after we move the ball, then we're gonna check. Yeah, so we're gonna go through all of these. We're gonna do for int I 0 less than 3 plus I. I'm just gonna hard code it. I'm not gonna fuck with it. And then, well, let's see what functions are available to us. I know that there was some collision checks. Circle rect. Because it's a pool. That's cool. This is exactly what we need. So I guess we just do the, oh, dang it. Whoops. Give it the center and the radius, so ball, pose, ball, radius, then ball I, that is a vector, or rectangle. I don't know why I wanted to save compulsively. Okay, so we found a collision. Now we need to do bounce logic. I know it's been like a week. Well, it's been since Wednesday. Let's see what was the next thing that needed to be done. We needed, I think I can make this a function. Okay, so I can make this a function, I think. Because I think we need to get the intersect point and the normal. Right? We know we have a collision, so we should be able to find the intersect point and the normal. If point belongs to line created between the 2 points. That's not what we want. Okay, collision rect. Collision rectangle for 2 rectangles. Okay. Like, yeah, I think we just want that intersect point. So no. I think we can just return vector 2. Get we're gonna out normal, I guess, as well. So we're just gonna take in our circle ball, and then we're gonna give a rectangle, rect, and then vector to normal. I guess I could do get intersect information info. I'm not typing all that. I spelled intersect all the way. We're not typing information all the way too. We want the line line BR, and that's going to be vector 2 subtract that. Oh, I guess it's not a direction vector. Yeah, that could have been anyway. And then what we're going to do is we're going to oh, I think we have to early out. Because of how this works, yeah. That was fine, that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna make vector 2, gonna do top, that's gonna be rect.x. Oh, I need top left. No, top left is just 0, 0. It's the position. I need top right. Okay, so that's going to be rect. X plus rect dot width and then rect dot y. Vector 2. Right. Do I need that? Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna make all these so bottom. Right, well, except for the top left, because that's just the position where I'm not gonna do that. Oh shit, nope, I do need it. Fuck. This is not already a vector 2. Okay, so top left. Rect.x, rect.y. And then bottom, what is that? Rect.x plus rect.width. And then y plus height. If I could type. Oh, that's a little v. We want a big V. Bottom left. That's gonna be rect x and then rect y plus height. Cool. All right. Now that we have all those done, did. Oh, that was a cold breeze. Ooh. That was gentle. That like just like caressed my shoulder and I was just like, oh, got the shivers. Oh, I did it again. It smells so good outside though. Like it rained last night, so it just smells like spring and I don't wanna, I want that smell inside. So I don't wanna shut the window just yet, but I might have to. What am I doing? We're going to check the top line. Okay, so if Okay, and so the start is going to be, oh, I don't need BR at all. So start is just going to be ball dot position. And then, oh, that wasn't going to compile ever. Oh, we need to calculate center. Okay. That's going to be rect y plus rect dot width times, whoops, times 0.5f rect dot y plus rect dot height times 5f. And then so we're so I think all of this, all of these are always going to check this line with whatever we're doing. So top, so this is going to be top left, top right, and that's going to be the top line, right? I think it wants the out. Which I guess we have to make. So let's do up here to point 0, 0. Then normal has to be allocated by the caller. We're not allocating it, and we're going to crash. And so with this, we want intersect point. And so then our normal is going to be up 0, 1. And return intersect point. Yeah, cool. And then we're going to do, I guess, right line. Yank P. Oh. I hit tab twice and that took me to a different menu. So this is going to be, this needs to be top right. Oh, I guess maybe it doesn't matter. This needs to be bottom right. And then this is going to be +1, 0. Yeah. Just kidding. Yank. Bottom line. P. And then we're gonna do boot 'em left, boot 'em right. And that's gonna be 0. Oops. Did this in a very awkward order. Yank. Left line. Yeah. Oops, oops, oops. P. Just kidding. P. Oh no. Okay, well, let's just fix that right now. Okay. This is why copy and paste is bad. Top left with bottom left. Oopsies. That's gonna be negative. -1 shit. Yeah, and then I guess just return intersect point. This shouldn't happen, but we know that it did. Oh, hey, hello, how's it going? I'm doing good. I'm so sorry. I was in the zone and I did not see your chat. Hopefully you are still here and watching. I'm really bad at looking at the chat. Jasmine Jane, 22. Wow, 2 years old and you're already typing. Yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah, good. Cool, yeah. My stream schedule, it's on Twitch, but like my stream schedule, I try to stream Saturday and Sunday, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. West Coast time. And then Wednesday, if I have time, I'll stream for an hour at night, but it's pretty late. It's like, well, late for me. It's 7 p.m. on Wednesdays. I try to stream for an hour and a half. Oh, awesome. Yeah, apart from streaming, I code a lot, work a lot, play some video games here and there, watch anime. Yeah, right now is a crazy time. So a lot of my hobbies have kind of been put on the back burner. I used to work on my car a lot. I don't really have money or time or a garage to do that anymore. And I would also brew beer, but I don't drink really much anymore. So I don't do that anymore. But yeah, programming and video games are probably going to be my hobbies until I die. So yeah, that's good. That's fun. I enjoy it. Yeah. The wall, and then we're gonna out the normal. Yeah, oh, I want the intersect point. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, after the stream, I'll check Twitter and probably post progress, and then I'll follow you back. That didn't sound like my apartment. Why did I need the intersect point? I was trying not to do this, but I might go look at the stuff we did in Python, just so I'm not sitting here trying to remember all the stuffs. Yeah, we'll just do that. Oh, so they gave me, oh, so we don't get that. Do I use that? Oh, I do. Oh, okay, okay. So that's just what we're gonna do instead then. Okay, that's fine. All right. Then okay, so we already did that. So this now only just gives us the did collide DC. And then now this gives us both the intersect point based off of lines. Let's see. Pretty sure I've drawn this multiple times. Yeah, okay, so here we were using the contact point because that's what this formula gave us. But now we just detect if there is a collision, and it's just a Boolean as far as I can tell. Circle rect. Yeah, just a bool. There's no out or no information for the collision, which I think is fine, but the collision lines gives us a collision point. We can out a collision point. Now we're just gonna, instead of using this, we're just gonna use this for our math. I think that should be fine. And so I think after this, then I find the normal and the intersect point, and then I think I'm gonna reverse the BB frame. So yeah, I can just do that in here. And so ball position is gonna get vector 2 door tract. And we're just gonna get rid of ball position BB frame. Yeah, we can just finish it. Okay, and so then ball position and then ball velocity are changed. And we pass those in, ball position, ball velocity, and the contact point, which is the intersection point, and the normal. Okay, so we can do that. Probably void do bounce. So velocity to enter. Oh, how do I spell intersect? And then vector to normal. Yeah, all right. Then probably just gonna copy that. Why? What? Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, the power of auto. Let's see if does auto not work? It should be, because C11. C11. Oh, that's a lot of math. Does that still work? Oh, that might not work. This might not be as good. We might have to just do something else. Or don't use this method and use like write our own. Because I don't know if I'm worried that, oops, shit, that these are going to be different numbers, right? Like the magnitude of that line versus like the magnitude of this line might be different. We just need the magnitude because we're taking, right, so like, oops, like that is the ball velocity. So we're going to take the magnitude of that vector and we're going to go back along the ball velocity that much, that distance, whatever that is. And so I'm worried that that is not going to work how I want it to. That's fine, we can try it out still. Length squared. I assume that's just distance vectors. Oh yeah, I think that's what I want. The distance between ball position and intersect point is the leftover. So yeah, we're gonna do vector to distance ball. Whoops. Intersect, right, and then that's that part, and then we want to subtract the ball radius. Oh, we're gonna hard code that. Just 10. Well, I guess I can just do that. Okay. No, we're assigning that. Oh, I wonder if I probably have to dereference those, and then the value of ball position. Oh shit. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So we're gonna get it. Add ball position. I remember seeing a reflect. Yeah, okay. So it takes in the thing and then the normal. Cool, okay. And then we actually don't return anything because we're just writing to it. Cool, all right. Actually, let me leave that there. Let me compile. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, wait, what? Oh, because it's a pointer. Fuck. Oh, yeah. I wasn't thinking with pointers. 24. Oh, it's still broken. Expected expression. Just make that expression a vector. I thought C11 had auto. I think in C++. There's no type inference in C. The C auto keyword means the compiler decides where the variable should be stored, usually ignored in modern compilers. Oh, oops. Okay. Let me fix that. A lot of typing. Forgot how much typing there was in C. Okay, so for this, I guess just X. Y. Make up. And then E. 1, 0. P. Shit. Also don't know if this works or not. We'll find out. Oh, duh. Fuck. Shit. Okay, so if I dereferenced it, why am I having so much trouble with pointers all of a sudden? Okay, yeah, no, that makes sense. So we're gonna undo that, I guess. No, we're gonna redo that, I guess. We're just gonna do it. Because before I was trying to like just assign the value. Oh, that's not all I want to do. I want to do more. Why didn't you do that though? Why didn't you do the things? Like you could have just done the things correctly and then it would have been fine. Okay, see how you did it there. Oh, then I need to get rid of these. Yeah, because I was trying to like not assign the pointer, right? Because obviously, like if you just did normal equals stuff, like that's wrong because that's going to reassign the pointer. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to dereference, like assign, like dereference the pointer, which I thought that's how it was, and then you just assign it like a new whole ass value, right? But like apparently that doesn't work. Expected expression. I don't know. It's a vector too. Like, do you want me to do that? Duh, because that's wrong. Because that'd be really dumb if like, okay, hold on. So dereference normal equals enter set point. Does that work? Okay, so like, whatever. This is fine. Cumbersome, but it's fine. And now what is the problem? Okay, struct vector 2. Oh, Yeah, distance. Oh, yeah, those aren't vectors anymore. I can just use real math. Now what? Leftover. Oh, shit. It's a float though. Oh shit, this is walls. Find W, cool. Walls. Why did you not go? Oh, probably because I haven't compiled successfully. Get intersect info. Oh. Unused variable, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so this stuff, have I really not compiled them that long? Walls 0. Oh, that was down here. How do I construct? That's not. Right, is that not what I'm doing? But like it doesn't have this, but it should already know the type because like I already initialization. So it's weird that I can't like assign it right away. You know. Okay. Alright, okay, then we're gonna do bounce physics. Then we're gonna give it the ball, dot position, and then the ball velocity. And then we're gonna give it the intersect point, then the normal. Yards. Cool. Alrighty. Okay, that's pretty accurate. So does it just not find an intersect point? Found one, I think. What normal did we get? Okay, we got a normal. Cool. Okay, and so then ball. And what is BV frame? That's kind of a lot. Jesus. 5? Oh no, I guess that's fine. 5 per frame. 5 pixels per frame. Yeah, okay. So that's 4. 4.8. Okay, that makes sense because we're 0.14 of a pixel inside. Then we're gonna roll that back, so now we should be out. Okay. Then let's go into the bounce physics. We have ball loss. Oh, we gotta initialize, I guess, all our stuffs. I get like local. Okay, so I'm just gonna do ball position, ball velocity, intersect, normal. Oh, and leftover. Leftover is -10. Oh, it's 24. All right, so we're going from 858. Just gonna screenshot this real quick. That might fuck up the stream. Sorry about that. On the X, -13. Wait, what is this doing? What am I trying to do? Because I already go backwards, right? This might not make sense. Let me, I think I got smaller and smaller. That's a journey. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. That was a smooth line, not gonna lie. Okay, so if we have a collision, we had barely a collision. Oop. That works. Right, and or like something like this, right? And we back up however much we move, right? So we're like, now we're like back here, right? Something like that, maybe. Oh, and then I'm trying to move forward. What is left over? That's fine. Ball velocity. I'm trying to move forward just enough, like just before intersection. And then that's what that's supposed to do. I think leftovers gigantic. Okay, 5, 5, 6, 4, 8, 9, 1, 0. Have I stood up? I have not. I want to take a short break. Stand up for a little bit, stretch the legs. I'll be right back. I'll probably get some more water as well. Oops. So I think the leftover amount might be too much. So this might be because of the thing that I was talking about where, well, I don't know. Maybe I should be doing, am I doing the intersect check? Yeah. Okay, that should be fine. That should be okay. Unless there's something wrong with this. Okay, I think we need to debug. We're just gonna restart. That's odd. That shouldn't be that far off. This fucking thing. Hold on. We need this. Draw that. What? Oh. Okay. Failed to write. Whoops. That's giant. I don't want that 10. 2, and then did I do a dumb? Yeah, I did a dumb. Okay, well that's fine. Oh, okay. Oh, well that didn't get updated. Okay, that's fine too. All right, so get intersection point. So this should be the bottom. So this should be getting hit. Let's see. I'm actually going to verify. Back to center. Y is -2. I think that makes sense. Yeah. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, screen width, or yeah, screen height, so -10, or -20, and then 10 would be halfway, and then the width is 1920. So the center, 960. Yeah, okay, I think that makes sense. Top left, 0. Oh, you know what? I don't think that's top left. No, that's top left. Yeah. -20, right? Then top right. Width, -20. Bottom right. Width, 0. Left, 0, 0. Okay, so that makes sense. So let's see. Line, bottom line. Get it? Okay. And then what is intersection point? $960, 0. Literally just the center of the screen. There's the ball position. Also the center of the screen. Okay. Okay, well this makes it pretty easy to debug. Let's continue. I believe the normal is correct. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, -1, -1, 0. I think that's okay. Yeah, okay. We return out. Let me make sure that's still correct. Yeah. And then now we take the ball position of clearly collided and go back. Wait, that collided before. because that was 360. That was 5. What's our radius? 10. Okay, yeah. We haven't drawn it yet, but like we're, I guess, a fourth of the way in. Or no, we're half of the way in. And so we undid that. So now we're, okay. So then I'm expecting magnitude to be close to 1.6. Like 1.55 or 1.56 or like 1.63 or something like that. So let's go in, or left forward, not magnitude. So this is just like 200. Okay, so 1.65. Okay. 1.654. Yeah, okay. So that makes sense. Okay, and then ball velocity currently is just straight up. Cool. And we're gonna reflect it, so it should just be straight, coming straight down. All right, perfect. Then be colliding with anything else. And where are you drawing that? Oh, you already drew the circle. Cool. Well, we haven't flipped yet. Okay. That's correct. And DT is crazy. I wonder if I can just change DT. Just assign DT a different number. Yeah. Just 1/60. Can you do math there? Fuck. I think that's correct, right? Zero, 1, 6, yeah, okay. Probably not the best percentage, but PV frame. That was last frame. This frame should be +5 or something like that. Yeah, okay. And position, we're like right up there, just barely not up there. Because remember, the greater the number, the further down we are. So we're 10.00001. So like we have a radius of 10. So that means our center is right, like just barely like half a pixel, which is fine. So now it's 15. Okay, so yeah, so that's correct. And so now we're not going to have a collision with anything. Okay, cool. Well, okay, well, whoops. I wanted to hit F9 first. Okay, and it doesn't hit me at all. It doesn't hit that either. Maybe I should have, for debugging purposes, added. Oh, because now I don't update it. Okay, that's right. Actually, yeah, let me just plop this bitch in here. Oh, that was kind of pointless. Doesn't work. Okay. Why does it work on that wall and not the other two? Okay. What? Okay, well, it consistently broke on that other one, so let me just go through that. Okay, so we hit pretty well. Let's find, this should be the right. Let's see, direct. -20, 0. Right, yeah. 0, 0, yeah, right. And then 0, 1080, yeah, that's right. -20, 1080, yeah, okay. So I'm expecting this to hit the right line. Okay, so far so good. Okay. And then normal is positive. Correct. When I get out of here, I can see what ball velocity is at. And what's the intersect point? X equals -0. And then 609. Where's the ball? 609? Yeah, we might need to write. We just might need to copy that floppy. We might need to write our own collision function. Let's see, source. Is it in math? Math. Ooh. Oh. This is in core. Bitch, what? Excuse me? Our shapes, oh. That's a module. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is very similar to what I was doing. True, return true. Yeah, only they're not. Fuck. Oh, what are you doing? What the fuck? Ew, you're disgusting. No, don't go in there, you motherfucker. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, friend? Wicked fast spider looking thing like went into my case, like crawled on top of my case and just like went into it. I don't know if he's on the top filter or if he's like inside the case. Ugh. They were really gross. I wanted to kill it. Okay, so we're just gonna grab this shit. Oh, hello. Thank you for the follow. I'm glad those work. I can't hear them, but hopefully your ear holes are blessed. P. Now I have to do the special P. Paste. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna look, see how we did this over here. Oh no, no, that was the original, wasn't it? Okay, okay. I went with something completely different. Okie dokie. Okay, yeah. All right. Well, we're just not gonna use this then. We're gonna take this code that I wrote. So I did this in Python before. Hello. Viking. Give a follow. Okay, cool, yeah. Sure. This might not be as accurate, actually. Oh, this is taking a while. But that's a-okay. Yeah, and I don't even know if this is the actual problem either, right? Because that spider. Thinking about that spider. I thought it was a spider. It looked gross. I assumed it was a spider. Ugh. A spider on my face. But don't call me a spider face. So vector 2, we're gonna contact point. Yeah. Then we're gonna, oh shit, okay, whoa, shit, fuck. Do I have min-max functions? Oh, I have fmin. Fmin f? What are these? Ooh. Sure, okay. Oh, cool, there we go. Oh, I assume there's... But I'm including math, so I don't know why I don't have access to those. I need to figure out what the difference is between these. F and F. Oh, for float. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's fine. I assume max is the same way. So that means we need float, and then gotta do this dumb way, I guess. That's just px. Just py. Then we're not going to return that. So now we're going to return a bool if we collided or not, and then the contact point is that. Okay, so I'm going to make a vector 2 contact point 0, and we're going to do this. Did I call it the same? Let's find out. Yars. And get collisions, yeah. That's a terrible name. Oh, shit. Yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, you're right. That was my bad. Oh, you're right. I forgot to do that too. Oh, fuck. Okay, yeah. Let's just radio. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then is it exp? Are we using C math or math.h? Wait, what? Uh-oh. Oh, I want POW. Oh God, I'm so sorry. Ah, probably don't need that. Oh, I'm still debugging, shit. Okay, fix anything. Shit. Well, that's good. As if the vector doesn't reflect correctly, which might be because the normal's incorrect. That works. That does not. Okay, well, let's debug a little more. Oh, because I'm still using the intersect point. Okay, well, we can figure out. Figure out the differences between them. Okay, so we have the intersect. Oh wow, those are way different. Those are way different. Is there a... What is the intersect point doing? Is that in math? No, that's in shapes. What was it called? Collision lines. That is very similar to what I have. Oh no, that's really weird. That's super odd. Okay, well, I guess I don't know what they're doing here. I don't think there should be like a div that you... Cause yeah, the... Oh. Shit, just kidding. No, yeah. I get it now. Yeah. He had the same problem that I had. Wait, if I'm using very similar code, that means that I might be using this wrong. Oh shit, where did I use that? Okay, find phase normal. Ball center, rec center for all of these. And then we did top left, top right, left, top right. That looks different. Shit, am I dumb? Does it this actually all just work with rect width? Yeah, that's fine. With bottom right plus 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 plus. Yeah, okay. And then X. What the fuck? What am I doing differently? Top right, bottom left. Top right, bottom left. Okay, so we're gonna do top left, top right. Top left, top right. Then we're gonna do top right, bottom right. Bottom right. And we're gonna do bottom left, bottom right. Bottom left, bottom right. And then bottom left, top left. Top left, bottom left. I don't know if that matters. We're not hitting the left wall. Oh, I guess except for that one. Oh, I guess I can double confirm my normals. Positive, positive. Yeah, positive. Positive on the Y. Yeah, positive on the Y. Positive on the X for the right. Yeah, positive on the X. And then negative, negative. Y first. Yep, yep. Okay. I don't know what the fuck is wrong. I don't know why I'm getting a line intersection point that is like 5 universes over. I don't know. I wonder. Well, that's what I'm doing too. I'm doing something very similar. Whoops. I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, well, let's just go through, I guess. Ball position goes back. Oh, the intersect point is hella wrong. I don't know why it's hella wrong. Okay, sure, whatever. So let's just go back. I do need to pee again. I also need to stop streaming. Wait. Not one. Ugh. Variable. Yeah, I know it's not used. Undeclared. What is that? IO? Is it IO stream? I don't think it is. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm so sorry. So fuck, where's printf? CSTDIO. I was close. Oh my god. Microsoft, I just want to print shit. Can you quit being a prissy little fuck bag? Raylib has a way to log, right? Just want to log something. All right, that's fine. We're just gonna. Oh jeez. Oh dear. Oh, that was a terrible example because I know that that works. Contact point. What's the normal I get? Oh, you haven't initialized yet. Okay, perfect, yeah. Leftover is like 1 something. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that is sane. Okay. Okie dokie. Alright, let me redo that. I'm gonna throw it over there. Oop. Alright, we're gonna get the intersect ball. Oh, this should be hitting right. Hit the right intersect point. I mean, that seems okay. Where's the ball at? No. Or 113? How can we have an intersect point of 269? That's impossible. That's fine. We have a... Yeah? That seems a lot better. A lot more sane contact point. I don't know why that is broken. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. See what happens. Well, shit. Is this fixed or is it still broke? Yeah, it's fixed. That is so weird. That is so weird. That is so weird. Why? Oh, is it because I'm doing lines? But like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, why would it be? Because you guys saw it, right? Like it was right here, right? Terrible circle. Here, right? And so this was like, whoops. Contact point right here. It was like, what, 116 or something? 2 or something, right? And so apparently from, oh, because, yeah. If that's the center, then yeah, line cast. Yeah, no, that's just bad. Okay, we needed to use this anyway. Because yeah, that's going to be down here, which is probably around 2 something. Like the 220 or whatever it was, or 268. Or was it 269? Nice. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Alright, well. Okay, well the good news is that we have all the pieces to do this. So now that that is debugged, let's see, what else are we gonna do? I probably should just throw in a 4th wall so we can just bounce around. Oops. What's the bottom one gonna be? So let's see, I did left, top, right, and then bottom is gonna start. The X is gonna be, I think -1. No, it's gonna be 0, right? No. Oh, it's gonna be screen. Where's the top left? The 0 screen height. Yeah. Yeah, that's the top left. And the width is going to be screen width. And this is going to be 20. The height is going to be 20, right? Because it's going to start here, and it's going to go boom, and then down to here. Okay. And then this is also hard coded. Okay, and so now we should just bounce around. And the player cannot interact with it at all. Okay, cool. So yeah, I will leave that in. I think that's pretty good. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay. Yep, that makes sense now. Okay, I'm happy. Well, I'm not happy that I spent like an hour figuring out how lines work, but yeah, I think that's good. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna call that done. I think next week, not next week, tomorrow, next stream, I'm going to I wonder how ambitious I want to get. So we're going to do basic collision with the player. So it's going to be ball versus player. So we're still going to have the same issue that we did in the Python. And then I think we can construct the blocks. Then after that, honestly, the gameplay stuff, as long as all of that works and I can get that done within the first, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour, we have like a good hour and a half to like do the gameplay stuff. So we could put in like a first-person shooter, an FPS meter. We put in like a score. We could put in the sound effects. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. No, so hopefully, I mean, I don't expect to be done tomorrow, but hopefully tomorrow, I might be able to wrap up on this tomorrow or Wednesday. So yeah, tomorrow, get player colliding, then add blocks, and then do some of the fun stuff, score and audio. Yeah, I'm excited. All right, well, I have to go. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 2 p.m. Well, around 2 p.m. I might start a little early, depending on how my morning goes. But yeah, catch you guys tomorrow afternoon. Bye.